So this is this finstock chamber that we have here. I've already done some of the model setup, but I'll walk through what the different components of this are. Um, so the first question is, how do we build a mesh for this model? Um, and the mesh is simply done by creating a mesh that then immerses this geometry. So I've chosen to use a rectilinear background grid, so a bounding box within a mesh size here. Maybe the initial mesh size is 0.1, which you can see is too coarse, but we can see these actual elements here are the red kind of squares that you see on the extent of the bounding box. If we want this to be a finer mesh, we can just type in smaller mesh sizes and then drive this um, 0.025 and then drive this to whatever level of accuracy we need for our model. I might even go one mesh size smaller just to try to capture this opening here. And that's the extent of meshing.